that Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has in fact called a high-level meeting with the Tourism Minister and other stakeholders related to the Tourism Department. This is to ensure strict adherence to safety norms in Goa's tourism industry. And Chief Minister is expected to give a stern message and a warning to Tourism Department's top brass meeting. After the meeting, in fact, there's going to be a press conference by the Chief Minister. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha joining us for more on this. Rucha, you were telling us about it. In a short while from now, we're expected to hear from the Chief Minister himself as to what happened in the meeting. But any inside details that you've managed to gather?
The inputs that the Chief Minister is going to present are very important because till now 6 arrests have been made by Goa police, but none of them is actually from the authorities who are also responsible for allowing the Romeo Lane to continue their operations while there were multiple complaints. In fact, in 2023, first complaint was filed on 18th December, and even after that, the operations continued. There were many legal notices issued to the Romeo Lane, specifically Birch by Romeo Lane, where the fire took place, and despite that, no action was taken. The Environment Department, the local police, Anjuna police were informed about that, and it is also being said that some of the senior police officials had interfered and had asked not to go ahead with the investigation is what we are learning from our sources. And additionally, the spot where we visited, we went inside the Birch by Romeo Lane club and found that the entire structure is surrounded by water. There is mangrove, and the entire plot is the salt pan land. And how can anyone build such kind of structure between the salt pan land? It must be someone from the authorities, the Sarpanch, and many other from various government departments who were supporting the owners, the Luthras, and with their help only the clearances were given. The license must have been issued. In fact, the fire department is also at the center of this, and the fire chief is also at the meeting which is currently taking place at Mantralaya. The Chief Minister has also called the Tourism Department heads for the same.
So we'll see what happens after this meeting and what is it that the Chief Minister has to say. For now, Rucha, thank you for joining us with your inputs.